Nope. Where are we at? No, it's not gonna work that way. Stop sharing. What's up, guys? How y'all doing? Cool. I just want to jump on here real quick. Hey, Gary, how you doing? Thank you. Thanks for joining. Afua, thanks for joining. Yeah, so I just want to hop on here real quick because it's super late. DHL decided to deliver, these boxes or whatnot really late today. I'm in California time, so they decided to deliver the boxes late. So I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of a couple of clients' orders, just to kind of show you guys, what came in. I'm really excited about these orders in particular, and let's see what we're working with real quick. Pull this out. Okay, this is the first one. Let's see. Well, as y'all can see, Go Elephant, Kofi Noir. Let's see. Okay, this is for one of my friends. He's attending a wedding back home in Cote d'Ivoire, and he wanted, to get some. He wanted to support your brother and get some custom shoes made. So let's pop this open and see what we're working with. Of course, comes with the shoehorn. As you guys can see, it's all black on the inside. Packaging's decent. It's really nice. Okay, let's see what we're working with. So George's ordered the Wayne tassel loafer, which is honestly one of our popular shoes. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me back it up some. This is one of our popular shoes, actually. He decided he wanted a different sole, so we went ahead and got him a Vibram. We got him a Vibram foam sole. He wanted something unique. The sole, as you can see, is really thick, right? Which I think is awesome. And a lot of customers have been ordering this loafer right here. You can find it on the website, of course, with the wedge sole and also with the traditional leather sole as well. But nonetheless, though, I really like how this came out. As you guys can see here, if you look at the details, the lighting is kind of bad. Here, let me see if I can get the lighting real good. As you can see, the stitching, the welt is really good right here. We also went with a storm welt as well on this shoe. So, I mean, I can't wait to see George's reaction, just overall with, the overall details and everything like that. And then the best part is this shoe is Goodyear welted also. So let's say George's decides that, he doesn't want this anymore. This starts to wear out. They literally can take this apart, put a leather sole with a heel, and, he'll be good to go. So, man, I'm really excited. I can't wait for him to get this shoe. As again, here goes the left shoe right here. Boom, it's really nice. Also, too, the reason why I do these unboxings too is also for me to do a quality check, just to make sure there ain't no defects or anything like that. And if there are defects or anything, I send them back, and then I notify my clients or whatnot, like, hey, I noticed something was wrong with the shoe. I sent it back. I don't feel comfortable delivering this shoe to you. And that's my way of doing customer service and just making sure that, whatever product leaves my hand comes from us, that folks receive a super high quality shoe. I keep my word and we go from there, So, I can't wait. Everything looks good so far. Man, I low-key need to make some of these for myself. This actually goes good with the fit I actually have on. These high-waisted denim Gurkha trousers, the varsity jacket, So this actually goes well with it too. All right, so this is one shoe. Then we have another right here. I think this is a pair of boots, I believe. Let me check. And shout out, to the customer. He's probably watching IG Live now. He's probably going to see it. Shout out to him for being super patient. There was a delay with his order or whatnot. I think this is that order. And, I'm glad that he was patient with us. And I can't wait to get these shoes to him as well. I'm super excited. Yes, these are the boots, Chelsea boots. Damn, okay. Of course, this is the boot box. It tends to be a little bit bigger than the other shoe box. Again, shoe tree. I'm only gonna pull out one shoe this time. Let's check this out. Damn. Okay, so this customer had ordered a size 5. So, I don't know if he's buying this for his little nephew or cousin or somebody like that. But yeah, this is a size 5. This is actually the smallest shoe that I can go. Actually, I saw it at a size 5, and the biggest shoe I can make, depending on the model of the shoe, is a 17 in certain shoes and a size 15 in others. So, for the folks out there that got, really big feet, I can almost guarantee that I'll be able to accommodate you. Also, if you have wide feet as well, again, depending on the shoe, we also offer a wide double E, and in some cases, a wide triple E. So again, all you have to do is when you're about to place your order in the comment section, say, hey, I would like a wide double E or a triple E if you don't see it listed for the shoe or whatnot. And then, I'll do my part to try to figure out a way to make that happen for you. But nonetheless, I'm going to show you guys this Chelsea boot right here. The Pierre Chelsea boot. As you guys know, it's fall. Fall is already here. So, a lot of guys are going to be pulling out, the Chelsea boots or whatnot. This right here, this is this is really nice suede right here. Really nice suede. And it smells good too. Also, this one has a storm welt on it just for extra protection. Pretty much damn near makes the shoe waterproof. With this client, I also had him buy water repellent. It's a solution repellent that it can spray on top of the suede. So when water hits it, it doesn't damage the suede. It actually rolls off. So, actually he texted me and said he got it. So I can't wait for him to really get these shoes. Also, as you can see at the bottom, right, it's a dark red sole that he ordered. This stitching right here, this is a Goodyear welt. It's Goodyear welted, as you can see. I don't know. I hope you guys can see it. But yeah, it's a leather sole. It's super dope. As I was saying with the welt, as you can see here, they call this a storm welt. So it almost makes the shoe, it's like additional materials they use right here to create this feature right here, and pretty much then it makes the shoe waterproof. So here you go, the back of the shoe. There you go. Man, awesome. So guys, tell me what you think. Hope you guys like these. This is the Pierre Chelsea boot. And then also too, someone ordered the Movado Jufra boot that's similar to this as well. That should be coming soon. Here you guys go. Damn, gotta hold it a certain way. Damn, here we go. Super nice. Hope you guys liked it. And then I'm gonna show you guys the Wayne Wedge loafer one more time so you guys can see it. Bam. Yep. Bam, there you go. Back of it. And then the Wedge sole. It's a Vibram sole. Oh, not so boom. Let's lay this right here for y'all. It's the angles for me, right? No, I gotta let people gotta see the shoe. They gotta see the beautiful artwork, that these folks are able to create and produce. Again, and also all my shoes are handmade as well. So, folks wonder, why it takes so long for my shoes to be made. They're not making a gang of shoes or whatnot. It takes about 30 to 40 business days to actually produce the shoe. Whether it's a loafer, sometimes it takes a little bit longer with boots or whatnot, but they take their time to make sure everything comes out the way that it's supposed to come out, and it's a high quality shoe. So that's what I care about, the quality, and so far I haven't had any complaints. Folks have been very satisfied with the shoes or whatnot, so it means I'm doing something right. Also, too, ladies, I have received the DMs. I've received the emails. Yes, I am working on putting together a ladies couture line. Is really interesting. I've gotten a lot of feedback about things that I should consider when developing the heel. So, I just want to let folks know that I've heard you. I'm working on it. It's probably going to be about a 4 to 5 month process because I'm actually working with a design team to actually put the shoe together. And, I'm going to start off with maybe 2 or 3 sample heels, and then we're going to go from there. So I might even do a raffle, and, somebody might win a free pair of shoes just to try out, just to try on, give me some feedback, let me know what's up, and, we can go from there. So, I just want to do a quick unboxing so you guys can see the shoe, the product, see the work, the quality, everything's there. And thanks for the support. And I'll see you guys. Oh, if you need a model. Oh, of course. No doubt. I'll let you know what's up. Don't even trip. Don't even trip. If you guys are interested in purchasing the Wayne Wedge or the Pierre Chelsea, you can find them on the website at koffinoir.com. That's KOFFINOIR.com. And go there. You'll find it under casual or under boots, and you'll see the selection that we have. Folks that are interested in getting a custom order, please don't hesitate to send a DM or to email me at info@koffinoir.com, and we can set up a consultation to literally design the shoe from the sole all the way up to the upper for you. So, I know it's late, but, thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate the support, guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.